Guys, this is Magdalena from Miss Immigrant, Amphibag and Orange River Media. And I want to tell you that it is very important to surround yourself and have in your network people from your industry. If you are a freelancer, a person who works by themselves, or just you have few people, it is very important to create partnerships and have colleagues and have other people who are from your industry, because there is always something that you can do together, support each other, exchange informations. There is nothing like that. For a long time I haven't been doing that, but this year I started and it's been amazing. I met few people who are in marketing and we just have such a great energy and share information and are planning to do things together, and together we can grow because the power is in the group. The more of us, the more we can do together, and great things for people, for the planet, for the animals, for the future generations. See you. Leave a comment in the link, and no, not in the link. Leave a comment in the comment center. In the comment center. This was Magdalena, and I am an immigrant.